Welcome to a presentation of a proposed technical stage. It will taking place in Italy, and organized by CSG Engineering, for all professionals in the concrete precast field. Since 2014, CSG Engineering has been organized this event, giving to all professional participants the opportunity to visit some of Italy's leading precast companies and overview the technology and methodologies directly in factory during their production process. At the end of the stage, all the attendees have been gained a deeper understanding of the Italian technology and the updated state-of-art of excellence in concrete precast. The event highlights the benefits of hands-on learning, such as getting a better understanding of the technology and its applications, creating relationships with the host industry leaders, and exploring new business opportunities. Don't miss the opportunity to be part of CSG Engineering's technical stage, to explore the Italian excellence in concrete precast industries. Register now to take advantage of this unique opportunity. Thank you for watching.